Ready to unleash your creativity. In this step-by-step Canva t-shirt design tutorial, you will learn how to transform your ideas into stunning readable art. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, discover insider tips and tricks that will elevate your designs and make your shirts stand out. Let's dive in and turn your vision into reality. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a t-shirt designs with Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals to create a wide range of visual content, including t-shirt designs. It offers an extensive library of templates, images, fonts, and design tools, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers to bring their creative ideas to life effortlessly. Alright, so let's get started. All I have to do right now is just go to the top right and you will find here this page which is or this button. All right, then you have just to link your email address and your password, then you get started with this website. Or you can just here, if you already have an account and you log in, you have to find this page and you will just click over home and you'll find this page as you can see. But before, let's just discovering the plans and the pricing of this platform or this website, which is Canva. So we have here the free one, design anything and bring your ideas to life, no cost, just creativity. Then we have pro, allow premium content, more powerful design tools, and AI features. Then we have teams, transform teamwork, grow your brand, and simplify workflows. We have enterprise, empower your organization with an all-in-one workplace solution. All right. For example, we have the free one, and as you can see, we have a various things that you have to know about this one. We have a design made in easy and free. Create amazing visual content with no design experience. Start by yourself to, or invite others to collaborate. You have to click over start designing, post template as well. And we have here other options or features of this one, right? We can just get started and you will find the page which is this one. Right now you have just to go to search your content and canvas and you will just search for t-shirts. Alright, and to the left you will find also here home, project, templates, brand, application, dream lab as well. So for example, I will just select the one I think is better for me. We have here 15,000 of templates. You can just select the one you think is better for you. I will just click over sale right now and you'll find this page. I will just here select all filters and I will select the category that I think it's better. For example, I will just, if it's related for business, I will select the business one. If it's document, presentation, whiteboard, business cards, then we have here the option of social media, and also we have education, video, marketing, then we have print product, card and invitations. Then we have the style here, for example, for modern, minimalist, and we have also your colorful illustrative illustration as well. Then we have for a theme, black or pink or clothing, typography, fashion, illustration as well. If one also language or feature here, grade, subject, and I will just select, for example, me the free one here, and I will select the black one and I will click over apply. Alright, right now I will just click over this one. For example, I will just click over customize this template and you will find other page which is this one. Alright, right now I will show you how you can get started with this one. Firstly, I will just go to design in the left and I will select other templates because this one I think it's not comfortable for me, and I will select this one and I will just delete all these things and I will add my own. Alright, so for example, I will just go to the elements and I will add, for example, a dragon. I will search for dragon and I will just go to the graphics and I will select this one, for example. Alright, here we have it. Right now I will just go to the text and I will just go, if I want to add a text box, magic write, if I want to add print fonts or add a heading, add a subheading, add a little bit of body text. Then we have also recently used font combinations as you can see. Right now I will just add a heading. I'll put it in top. Alright, Alright, I'll put this one in the top. I'll modify it also the color. For example, I will just click over here and I will click over color and I will select this color. I will add, for example, here dragon fire, as you can see. Alright, so here we have it. I think I'll put it here. Alright, I think like that is better. Then right now I will just go to the draw and I will, for example, add, I will select firstly the color. I think this one is better, and I will add here Canva. Sorry, I did a mistake, so I will just click over here window, then I will just come back and I will add here Canva. I did a mistake again. I will use other option, which is razor, as you can see. As you can see, then if you want to add page as well, if you want to duplicate here, lock page, duplicate and add page. If you want to zoom in, if you want to here the option of the more view, here we have also here grid view, based on full screen, and we'll have also ask Canva. You can talk to the Canva, and if you want to help, you click over here and you search. Then, alright. So right now we have just to go to the brand. If you want to add logos, for example, logo colors or fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons, and if you want to upload, you have just to upload file from your computer. And also if you want to record yourself, you click over record yourself and you start recording. You have here 3, 2, 1 and you start recording like that. And once you're done, you click over done and you can just exit, or you can just save and exit. I will just exit right now and double click over exit without saving. Alright. Also we have here other options such as product, application, QR code if you want, and in the top right we have the button of share, and also we have other things such as here we have file, resize, editing if you want to endo and redo, for example endo like that, as you can see. So this is how it looks firstly, and this is the template that we select, as you can see. Then we have option of all change saves, and we have here also other things. And then if you want to share, you have just to copy the link. You can also select the option of anyone with the link can access the design using this link, and also you can all here use other options like we have public view link, template link, present and record, copy to clipboard, save to folder, send to phone, embed and website, and you have just to share it. All right. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.